In this video, I want to talk about why your location is more important than the size of gas plant on how much you spend creating your gas plant. You see, when people talk about starting an LPG gas business in Nigeria, one of the first questions they ask is, how big should my gas plant be? Some people believe that once they start with a big tank, success is guaranteed, but in reality, location plays a bigger role than size. Today, I want to explain this in very simple terms, especially for beginners and investors who are new to the LPG business and want to understand it. By the end of this video, you would understand why a small gas plant in the right place can outperform a bigger gas plant in the wrong location. So it's very important that you stay till the end because my last point is important. Now, what we mean by location? When we say location, we are not just talking about land. All right. Location include how easy it is for customers to reach your gas plant. That is particularly the first thing. The type of people living or walking around the area that your gas plant is located, the road access or traffic flow to your gas plant, safety and distance from houses, whether regulators will approve the site in Nigeria or not. Now, in Nigeria, location can either support or kill your business, or quietly kill your business. So we want to talk about customer access and daily sales, right? Now, LPG is a daily use product, right? People refill gas when it's convenient. If your gas plant is close to where people live or work, easy to enter and exit, not hidden inside bad roads, definitely customers will get that. And when customers will naturally come to your gas plant. But if your gas plant is too far, inside congested street or difficult to access, customers may go somewhere else. Now, I always tell people that LPG is a proximity business. Even if your price is cheaper, this is why a 2.5-ton gas plant is in a good location can outperform a 10-ton plant in a poor location. Another thing I will talk about is location and government approval. So this is very, very important because another reason for that location matters more than size is approval. In Nigeria, LPG plant must meet safety distance requirement, zoning rules, environmental and fire safety standards. These are very, very important. Some locations are simply not suitable no matter how much money you have. Many investors buy land first. They struggle for years with approval because location is too residential or too crowded and all that stuff. A smaller plant in a compliant location is easier to approve and operate legally. So you need to understand that, right? So next thing we'll talk about is safety and community acceptance. Gas plant operates around people, right? So you understand that if a location is too close to houses, schools, or market, then safety risks increase, community resistance increase because people will start telling you, no, we are scared of explosion and all of that stuff. Then you have regulatory scrutiny, which increases. But when a plant is located properly, those safety risks are reduced. Neighbors feel more comfortable, operation run more smoothly, and community acceptance matter a lot in Nigeria. I hope you know that you don't want to be doing legal battle with people, and you might have somebody who is stronger than you. Operation and cost. That's what I want to talk about next. Location also affects daily operation costs. Bad location can lead to truck access problem, longer delivery times, higher logistic costs, frequent disruption. But good location allow easy truck movement, faster restocking, less downtime. And over time, these small differences affect profitability more than tank size. All right. So another thing we'll talk about, I want to emphasize is scaling the business. You know, many successful LPG business in Nigeria started small. So note this, you don't have to start big. They choose the right location first, then build steady customer traffic over time. You know, they earn trust, expanded capacity later if location is right. Scaling becomes really, really easy. You see, if location is wrong, even expansion becomes a problem. I hope you know that. It's very important for you to know this. Also, let's talk about the right order of decision making and all that stuff. The correct way to think about LPG investment is first location, demand, approval, feasibility, safety, then plant size. So you can see that the plant size or the tank size is the last thing. When people reverse this order, problem starts. It's very, very important. In the LPG business, size alone does not guarantee success. So please note this. Size does not guarantee success. Location determines access, approval, safety, and long-term performance. But if you are planning to invest in an LPG gas plant and need guidance on location and all of that stuff, we can help you with that. But you need to note that location is more important than the size of your tank. All right. So if you need help with constructing your gas plant, you need consultation in terms of where you should situate your gas plant and all that stuff, then VIREON Gas does it for you. You can hit us up on the number displaying on the screen. Hit us up on WhatsApp and we'll be very prompt to respond to you. Again, if you need help installing, consultation, you want to purchase your tanks and all of that stuff, then VIREON Gas is the place for you. I'll see you in my next video. Again, if this video made sense to you or speaks to you, then please hit on the subscribe button, like this video and share so that more people will be able to see content like this. I'll see you in my next video.